The human body is a musical instrument and has the ability to sing and dance with the music of the natural world. All over the world, singing and dancing have been at the core of our spiritual life, and this practice has been in all of mankind, all the way from ancient tribal rituals to common beliefs today. The ability to dance and sing aligns and tunes the body, and restores and revitalizes it to a natural state of well-being. The animals and trees are already in tune with nature, and we need to be too.